Hey you guys, so your eyes are not deceiving you. There is a third video coming live on my channel this week. Excuse my appearance, excuse the mess. We have literally just walked in the door from a family camping trip. I'm doing about 900 loads of laundry and all of the fun things that happen after you get back from camping. But I did want to show you really quickly, I came home to a package in the mail from The Good and the Beautiful, and inside this box are all of the books in the Good and the Beautiful library. If you follow me over on Instagram, you saw me post about this, but they have created a library, you guys, of books that were no longer being published, Good and Beautiful books that were no longer being published. And they've sent me a copy of all of the books that are in the library, and I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside. So you've seen me dump them all out here on my kitchen counter. So I actually did not really have time to look at everything that was in the library being offered by them, but I am so excited to receive a copy of all of these books. And I'm noticing right now that on the back they have the Good and the Beautiful little publishing sign there. So this is so awesome of them, and I am just so excited to be a part of what they are doing with getting these amazing titles back into the hands of kids, that books that are full of good and beautiful things, clean classics. I love that the front says The Good and the Beautiful Library on some, and clean classics. So now that I've laid them all out, I'm gonna go and show you guys all of the books that are currently in The Good and the Beautiful Library. All of the titles that are currently in The Good and the Beautiful Library, which I will have linked down below. So first we've got Zeke and the Fisher Cat, and I'm noticing right now on the side it's got reading levels, and I believe that there is an assessment on their website to give you your child's reading level for these books that are in the library, so just keep that in mind. We have Lady Cake Farm, The Touch of Magic and the Story of My Life, and there it says The Good and the Beautiful Library, and on the back the publishing information there, because they have republished these books that were hard to find. The Story of Marco, Dawn, Race for the Prairie, Up from Slavery, Abraham Lincoln. Like I was saying, these books were hard to find or were impossible to find. John Greenleaf Whittier, Slave Boy in Judea, Lions in the Barn, Patterns on the Wall, Just David, His Indian Brother, Over the Hills to Nugget, Into the Unknown. So these books were all classic books that were either not being published anymore or were very expensive or hard to find. And The Good and the Beautiful has hand-selected these 16 titles to be the first books released in The Good and the Beautiful Library, which is so exciting. I know more will be coming. I don't know when, but I do know that more will be coming. But they are starting with these 16 books. And until July 12th only, which you guys are seeing this video on that day, I will have a 10% off code for you if you would like to go and purchase these books. All of that information will be down below. Of course, the library will be up and running and available for purchase after that, but the code is only good the day that you guys are seeing this. So here are, again, are all the titles that are currently in The Good and the Beautiful Library. I am so thankful to have a copy of these for my kids and for our homeschool, and now I'm going to go put them on our shelves. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this really quick unboxing. If you've got any questions, post them down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys soon.